बोरी ब्रिज आमकां जाय. Existing Borim bridge is always nearing now 40 years. So we need a replacement. हांवें जेन्ना म्हाका representation आयलें from the people of Lotoli, immediately we took up the matter with Shri Nitin Gadkari, Minister for Road Transport and Highways. तातून आमी क्लियरली बरयल्लें आसा की ब्रिज तूं बांद बरीचो, बट बाकीचो तो पळय तो तूं हायवे करूंक सरता, that flyover from Verna to Borim, to destroy what? You are destroying the ecosystem. Eco-sensitive khazans, शेतां आमची डिस्ट्रॉय करता. ड्रॉप दॅट प्रोजेक्ट. तूं फक्त ब्रिज बांद. वी नीड ब्रिज. आनी ताणें म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिले पळय. He wrote a letter back to me. You want, you can click a photograph of this. He written a letter to me. He has assured he will get it examined. But आता जातलें कितें हांव तुका सांगता. तो म्हणटलो बरें, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट साऊथ गोवा हेज रेज्ड ऑब्जेक्शन, आय विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग. आतां गोंयचे सरकाराचे गुलाम पळय आसात, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर एंड दॅट सुभाष शिरोडकर त्या सायडीक, एलेक्स शिकेर ह्या सायडीक, they will now go for acquisition. They will acquire and then they will tell center, आम्ही acquire केलो घे. This is how these people are selling Goa. This is how they are destroying the lives and livelihood of farmers. Khazans are a heritage आमचे, दायज आमचे, पूर्वजांनी सांबाळून दवरले. असले दायज आनी खंयच ना. I have heard that similar thing is there in Netherlands somewhere, nowhere else. ते destroy करून उडयतले. Thousands of years of that heritage which is there. These people, they now two names who I took, Shikher and that Shirodkar, they've jumped from Congress there. Why? For their own benefit. आपणाच्या फायद्याक. At what cost? To destroy all this heritage? You think we will leave these people? Not only these two people, others also who are selling Goa. Just wait for some time. I have said before, all this will be put behind bars. They're destroying Goa, they're looting Goa. Second is Devasa. This is a God-gifted land. गोंय म्हणटा तो देवा देवींचो जमीन. करेक्ट? सगळे मानतात. ते तुम्ही विकतात. They will have to suffer, they will have to pay for their sins. करता ते पाप हे. आणि हांव चीफ मिनिस्टराकूय सांगता, this curse will come on all of you if you continue selling and destroying Goa. There will be no escape from this. जितले पैसे करपाक जाय ते, this money will not be enough to save yourselves. You will have to pay for your sins. And the curses of our children and grandchildren and future generations who have not come into this world, even their curses will come on them. So, आयज आमचो थर्सडे म्हळ्यार Captain 0R at collectorate. Different issues लोक घेवन येता. 99.99% are the problems. जेन्ना लोकांक प्रॉब्लेम जाता, फॉर एक्झाम्पल मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर तांचे प्रॉपर्टीचे डॉक्युमेंट, प्रॉपर्टीचे डॉक्युमेंटेशन प्रोसेस करपाक, टू फिनिश द लिगल प्रोसेस. खंयच्या ऑफिसान वेता. आमचो सरकार सदांच म्हणटा सिंगल विंडो. हे सिंगल विंडो ना, इट इज ओन्ली उलोवपाक जाय म्हण. वेन दे गो, स्पेशली सिनियर सिटीजन, तांकां खुबशे त्रास जाता. They don't understand, or there is bureaucratic problems. So what we do is, jenna ami understand jata, we speak to the officer directly, concerned officer, and most of the officers are very helpful. We tell them the senior citizen so and so problem is there, because we understand it first, and tanga mai explain karta. Ani in one or two visits of this problem is sorted out. Magir kon yeta DSS forms घेवन. एक ट्रेंड जाल्लो आसा थोडे MLA रुलींग पार्टीचे, जेन्ना तांचेशी ती फॉर्मां घेवन वेता, ते तांकां विचारतात, तूं म्हजो वोटर, तुवें म्हाका वोट केल्लें. दे आर ह्युमिलिएटेड. दे पुट इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर थिंग सस्पिशियस हें कशें. वेरेज जेन्ना आमकां लोकांनी निवडून हाडलो तेन्ना आमी सांगले, वी आर MP ऑफ एवरीबडी, नॉट ओन्ली काँग्रेस ऑर अलायन्स पार्टनर्स, वी आर MP ऑफ एवरी. I will never ask whom you voted or which party you belong to. To गोंयकार आणि म्हजी कर्तव्य, इट्स माय रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू हेल्प. सो तसे सगळे फॉर्म्स घेऊन येतात, डिफरंट स्कीम्स आसात. सो वी क्रॉस चेक, व्हेरीफाय ऑल द डॉक्युमेंट्स अँड वी साइन. वी सेंड देम फॉर सबमिशन. ते येतात. मागीर कोण एकलो डिसेबिलिटीचो मनीस आयलो, his leg is amputated, taka 3 wheelers जाय. So we always check, do you have a license? Simple things. And we tell them next time don't come. We tell the people with disability need not come. आमकां फक्त फोन केल्या पुरो. If possible, one of our person will contact you at your house or we will come. So like this kind, lot of problems have come. And attempted encroachment or attempted grabbing of land, these things are increasing. So we have told them no problem, wherever any person with criminal background or even some politician trying to grab land, please bring it to our notice. We will fight it out. We will stand by them.
Also, you were in Delhi for the all-party defense committee meeting.
Yeah. No, it's not all party. It is a defense committee is basically like a mini parliament. See, defense today is a very important topic for the country. It deals with the security of the country. Once the country is secure, you will see that everything falls in place. Economic growth happens. People are doing their jobs in a very peaceful manner. So, आमची committee about 12-13 लोकांची. For me, it was a great honor and privilege as a first timer to be included in this committee. I'm the only ex-defense officer who's there in the committee. Discuss issues concerning the country, the defense services, and we give our suggestions how to improve. Even armed forces, the 3 services, and related organizations, even R&D organizations which come under defense, like ISRO, and all these things, we try to strengthen them. Any issues are there to smoothen the affairs. We can't go into details because defense related things I'm not allowed to disclose.
Also, like in the past few days, we've seen like incidents in North Goa, like Kalangut, wherein like Aam Aadmi Party president of Goa, Amit Palegar, has said that Goa is turning into Mirzapur. So what about that?
No, yesterday, आमचो party president Amit Patkar along with office bearers met the DGP and demanded strict action on this. And DGP has issued whole help. They already called on him, submitted a memorandum, and I think so. Government is to be blamed for this law and order. Go across Goa, most of the incident in the last 7-8 years, जितले पण incident झाला, Goa is, I have been on record saying Goa is turning into the crime capital of India. हे केन्नाच जायनासले गोंयांत. When I was in the services, जेन्ना उलयतालो ओ गोवा हे ते म्हणटाले तेन्ना हांव सांगतालो Goa is so safe that a lady can walk alone at night at 12 o'clock without any fear of any attack or being robbed or being attacked. Today that thing is not there. दिसाचे बायलांक सोड दादल्यांक वचपाक भिरांत दिसता दिसाचे. ही परिस्थिती कित्याक जाल्या? Yesterday Chief Minister made a statement, outsiders are coming into business. Who is encouraging? When the crime happens, you are blaming outsiders. Whether it is outsider or insider, you are the Home Minister. If you can't handle crime, if you can't bring law and order into control, resign. You are unfit. What I learned in the Navy, the buck stops at the door of the head of the organization. I had men under me. If somebody commits a fault, I used to own up the responsibility. I wouldn't blame somebody else. हे या चीफ मिनिस्टरान शिकपाक जाय. हाका ताका ब्लेम करून फायदो ना. तूं वयर कित्याक बसला कदेलीर? So complete law and order breakdown in Goa. आणि आमी एक्सपोज करतले. एक ते वाचला आसतले. वन पुलीस ऑफिसर परेश नाईक म्हणून आयज पेपरार वाचला. ही वॉज ट्रान्सफर्ड. I met this Paresh Naik, this PI, when we went to Anjuna for a protest, Ratcho. When I spoke to him and I spoke to the people, they also said he's a very good man, he's a very honest man, upright man. I don't know him much, only once I've met him. उलयतना कळटालें the sincerity and the integrity. ताका ट्रान्सफर केलो. सो तुम्ही असल्या मनशांक तर ट्रान्सफर करशात. इवन दॅट आनी एक केस जाल्ली, दॅट डिमॉलिशन ऑफ दॅट हाऊस. वॉट हॅपन टू दॅट केस? असगांव, वॉट हॅपन? त्या पुलीस ऑफिसराक तुम्ही सस्पेंड केलो. सो if you take action against police officers, naturally there will be crime. There will be law and order problem, because the anti-social, anti-national elements, the criminals will become bold. हांवें तर कितें केलें जाल्यार पुलिसाक ट्रान्सफर करतले, हांव तसो दवरतलो. That shows that this government is hand in glove with the criminals. Plain and simple.
आणि एक इश्यू जाल्लो की काल एक महाराष्ट्राची बोट धरल्या फिशरमॅनांनी. So they have been complaining of constantly like boats from other states coming and fishing in Goan waters.
See, as per the law, it is very easy to say other people are allowed to come. आमची एक सिंपल एक ऑब्जेक्शन हातून आसा कितें, there is a law laid down 0 to 5 kilometers, 5 to 12 kilometers, 12 kilometers onwards. हे 5 किलोमीटर पासून आमचे ट्रेडिशनल पळय फिशरमॅन आसा, ल्हान फिशरमॅन आसा, this is their area of operations. They cannot venture into deep seas. They are having small boats. They are having some 9.9 horsepower motor fitted, OBM fitted. They can operate only in that area. व्हडले ट्रॉलरी फ्रॉम अदर स्टेट तर येवन ऑपरेट करपाक लागले जाल्यार आमचे नुस्तेकार खंय मेळटले? You know, now coming to the coastal police. Coastal policeank एक बोट दिल्या. You can say it is 50% unoperational. That is why fishermen like Pele, काल हांवें पळयलां, ताणें आपणाची मोटर बोट दिली आणि then they went chased and caught those trawlers who have violated from other states. So आमचे तर ट्रॉलर दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन वचत जाल्यार will they be allowed? Will they be allowed to do fishing freely? तांचेर एक्शन घेतले. What has the state government done to curb this? Have they taken up with the neighboring state, whether it is the state of Maharashtra or state of Karnataka or state of Tamil Nadu, that your trawlers are coming? आता मालपेचो आयिल्लो धरले 2. What action have you taken? Take it up at the highest level.